Hey, my name is Andrew Bowling. I'm a senior manager here at Morehead State, and I'm from Hyman, Kentucky. Here at Morehead State, it opens opportunities for me to gain experience, and one day I want to be a coach, and there's no other place here to learn than at Morehead State.
Andrew Bowling, my fellow mountain man from Eastern Kentucky. Andrew's done a fantastic job working for us, serving our players, serving our coaches, bringing a great attitude and keeping it fun and keeping it light throughout these seasons. And I'm proud of Andrew and how far he's come, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for him.
I want to thank God for opening me up for the opportunities, and I also like to thank my parents, my family, you know, the teammates here for giving me support and giving me the opportunity to become a better person and to get ready for the real world. Once an Eagle, always an Eagle.